All right, let's talk about something most of us know is a problem but rarely see laid out in black and white: world wealth. Did you know the global average income is about 12,800 euros a year? That's roughly 1,065 euros a month. But here's the kicker. Where you live changes everything. If you're in sub-Saharan Africa, the average is just 240 euros a month. But in North America or Oceania, over 3,500 euros. That's a 14-fold difference, and it's just the beginning. Inequality runs deep, not just between countries, but within them. Let's zoom in on the US, the richest 10%. They own about 2/3 of all the wealth. The bottom half, just 2.5%. That means if you lined up the wealth of the bottom half of Americans, it's still a tiny fraction of what the richest possess. And it's not getting better. Since the 1970s, top incomes have exploded while most people's paychecks barely budge. The top 1% in the US grabs about 21% of all income, on par with places like South Africa and Mexico, some of the most unequal countries on Earth. Zooming out, the pattern repeats worldwide. In some countries, the top 10% earn more than half the national income. Meanwhile, in the poorest regions, many governments pay more in debt interest than on education or healthcare combined. So, the next time you hear about billionaires skyrocketing up the wealth rankings, remember, the gap isn't closing. If anything, it's growing fast. The question is, what are we going to do about it?